Jesus, every time this girl want equal rights and I don't know why. Why me always have to put my... Madam Bad, General, where are you dealing? Yeah, dog. Oh, wait, dog, me got you, G, me got you.
Everything good?
My money tall, you know, brother.
Want some, yo,
G,
dog?
my money tall. Now
me get the money, dog.
Dog, watch out now. Me I get paid the next pay stub next week Friday, dog.
That I go
When
on,
me
G,
get
you
paid,
rich.
all of my niggas, them I get
That I go on.
You I get 100, you I get 200, you I get 300. No, exclude that. You I get 400. My money tall, G. We'll link you up next week.
I'm a G,
Madam Bad.
I'm a G.
Jesus. Money dear. All the girls, I go pay for this nigga. Jesus! 100 off state tax? 200 off insurance? Child support? Me tell the girls that the little baby believe I'm the hood. 3 child support? What the fuck? State tax, government tax. What the fuck?
Madam
Yo,
Bad.
G.
Wagwan, dog. Where money there? Yo, you say there's a meeting, G.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dog. Yo.
But dog, you say I send my money still.
You know, so some little miscommunication, diligences kind of come through that.
Yeah.
You know, so they have me up here for go play
But you
some
say I maybe
child
get a
supporting system agency of delinquency of unnatural causes of being defect inside tech. Something them have to say me have to volunteer in. You see me, because me make so much money.
I got good still,
you know,
dog.
I know, be a volunteer, so me put a
And
little money
another day.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah, man. That's what I think.
No, me Jesus, no, G, you see it? You know, child support, child delinquencies.
You know what I say? Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Mad.
Yeah, dog, and some bag of that crap me have
So,
to deal with.
you know, I'm get. Yeah, man, that's good, man. Yeah, man, say a word.
Yeah, dog.
Mad.
Yeah.
Mad.
Me Jesus, me link you up. Yeah.
Hurt and abused, I can't